Hi guys, Clique 101 here. In this video, I'm going to replace the fuel filter of a 2008 Chevrolet Spark. I am replacing it because it is more than 10 years old. Changing fuel filter helps you to have a better gas mileage, so let's go. First, we're gonna remove the fuel pump relay. So I'm gonna pop up the hood. Now I'm gonna open the fuse box to remove the fuel pump relay. So we're gonna search for the fuel pump relay. So here, see, fuel pump relay. So we're gonna remove this here. Then we're going to start the engine. I'm going to start the car, and for 3 seconds this step releases the pressure on the fuel lines. I think that's enough. I'm going to block the tires so that it will be safe. Also in front. So we're gonna jack up the car here at passenger side because the fuel filter is over here. Now that I have jacked up the car, so let's go underneath, check the fuel filter. So as you can see, there's a fuel filter under the gas tank. So thing is, it looks the same, size is the same, and the in is here. In clean it with soap water. The connectors, clean the connectors. And remove this. I think it's the sensor. Screw the lock that holds the fuel filter in place with a Phillips screwdriver. The fuel filter has only one lock that holds it in place. Release the lock so you can move the fuel filter freely. Pull the connector on the inlet first. Fuel coming out. Place a cap to stop fuel dripping. Then remove the other connector. Now that it is removed, replace it with a new fuel filter. Place the fuel pump relay back into the fuse box, then return the cover. Now we're going to start the car. Pump it 3 times. Just check if there's a leak. So, as you can see, there's no leak. Let's try. Let's try also. Let's go back to the pump it again. One more time. Start the car. Check for leaks. There's a leak. See. Okay, well, job done. It's dry, so good. Let's rev up the engine. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos to come.